Knitting cables. This cable has 6 stitches and the 3x3 cable cross is worked on every 6th row. Right leaning cable cross. Slip 3 stitches purlwise onto a cable needle and hold the needle in the back of your work. Knit 3 stitches. And then knit 3 stitches from the cable needle. Left leaning cable cross. Slip 3 stitches purlwise onto a cable needle and hold the needle in the front of your work. Knit 3 stitches and then knit 3 stitches from the cable needle. Work 5 rows and then repeat the cabling.